always hope that there'll be stocks around if we need it and if our loved one needs it. Well, today is me putting that back. So I'm Carl. Me and my husband Martin were the first in the UK, I believe, to donate blood together last year following the rule changes that allowed more people to be able to give blood. 12 months ago today was our first donation. Martin's very first donation I had given many years ago after first leaving school. For Martin especially, it was important to try and give something back. Martin had a dad that had leukemia and had lots of donations, and a niece that also had leukemia, totally unrelated, but she had to have loads of transfusions. Martin couldn't believe how easy it was to give. It's literally the admin beforehand takes longer than the actual donation. Today I've given and it's taken 5 minutes, that's all, to actually do my donation. Staff are always really friendly. You get to sit back in a nice comfy chair for 5 minutes while you're giving, and then at the end of it you get a nice drink and a bar of chocolate. We all want the blood to be there when we need it. It just takes 20-30 minutes out of your day. It's just so easy, there's no reason not to give. Martin is a bit of a needle phobe, but even he said it wasn't an issue whatsoever. I'd say if you get the opportunity and go if you can, it's well worth it. And it's a nice feeling afterwards knowing that your donation is actually going to help someone.